Alright, filmmakers, here I am in InShot, and I'm going to create a jump cut. So here's just a regular shot of me, and I'm just going to make a cut. A split cut, and then another split cut, and I'm going to trim this. Now I need to see this a little bit closer. I'm going to just make another split, and I'm going to take some time out. So I'm going to click this middle clip. I'm just going to delete it. And so now it kind of has this jumping effect, and that's jump cut. Now, in order to complete this jump cut, I need to put a title on it. So I can click text, and I can type in jump. Or jump cut. And I'm going to move this title over it like that. And now I have a jump cut. I can do the same thing to create a match cut. So I'm going to click the plus here, go to video photo, and I'm going to match my action. So I'm going to use this same shot that I just used, and I'm going to add the coffee mug. So this is going to be a match cut. So I'm going to actually swap these. So what's happening is I pick up the mug, and I'm going to cut it there. I'm going to trim this down, and then it goes to me holding the mug. So this is all one action. I pick up the mug, and then I'm shocked. So that's a match cut because it's matching the action of where of what I'm doing in the scene.